Welcome to Microsoft Mondays. We are going to start doing Microsoft Mondays every first Monday of the month. I'm Clint Larson. I'm with 303 Tech, and so every Monday you can expect a video from us to go out that will talk about new Microsoft products or existing Microsoft products, how you can use them to improve your productivity or some new features that may have come out. So today we're going to be talking about Outlook. And I know people have seen Outlook, they've used Outlook all the time. But we're going to add a couple features. One of those things that we're going to be talking about or showing is how you can start Outlook in a different place. So you just open up your file menu, you go down here to Advanced, and then Outlook starts and exits. Where do you want it to start and exit? You can browse, go up here, we're going to start with this one, click OK. And so now when you close out Outlook and then you restart it, you end up with going to Outlook today. So that's one thing. So instead of going right into your email and getting distracted with all the thousands of emails that you have, we're going to do, have you start where you can see your tasks on your calendar. So the important things that you need to get done for today are going to be right there. Another thing that we're going to talk about is this thing called Quick Steps right up here at the top. So if you needed to quickly file something away or forward it or whatever, you can just click up here, click, boom, it's going to take it right wherever it needs to go, and it's gone. The email is gone. You can also create new steps on whatever you want to do. Choose what actions happen, and there's a ton of actions that you can do. So this is one way to manage. So if you're always having to forward an email or file an email or do whatever, Quick Steps is the way to go. Now, there's another feature called Rules that you can also set up to help process email, because we're getting inundated with email every day. You get hundreds or thousands, hopefully not thousands, but anyway, you get a lot. And there's some things that you have to do every day on a routine basis. So create a rule, create quick steps, those types of things will help you. They can do almost anything that you want to do. Like on this rule, if you wanted to, don't like getting drug emails, use this drug place, whatever. If the subject contains the word drug, what do I want to do it? I want to move it to the deleted items folder. Okay, then I can create that rule, and that rule will automatically process on my inbox. So every time an email comes in that has the word drugs in it, it automatically deletes it. So now I don't have to do it myself. Anyway, so there's a couple quick features that you can look through on there to help you hopefully gain some more productivity. Anyway, I'm Clint Larson from 303 Tech. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you.